How to unblock someone on Bigo Live. Mistakenly blocked someone on Bigo Live or simply ready to reconnect. Unblocking a user allows them to view your streams and interact with you again. Let's learn how to unblock someone on your iPhone. Open the Bigo Live app, then go to your profile on the bottom right corner, then tap Settings from the top. Look for the blocked list or blocked users and click on it. In your block list, you will see a list of all the users that you have blocked. Find the user that you wish to unblock, then tap Unblock, like this. A confirmation dialog will appear. Tap Unblock again to confirm your action. The user will now be unblocked and can interact with you on Bigo Live. Unblocking users is as easy as blocking them, giving you full control over your connections. Reconnect or rectify with ease. Like and subscribe for more Bigo Live management tips.